Welcome back to video lecture part 2 of the chapter A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. In this video lecture, I will deal with some of the important questions that may come in your board exams, children, from this lesson. I have already given some of the important questions in the PDF file. From there, I have picked up some of the questions for oral discussion here. Let's begin with short answer type 2 marks questions. What made James Herriot expect a call from Mrs. Pumphrey? James Herriot's encounter with Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky made him expect a call for help. He was sure that the extra diet and no physical activity would soon put Tricky's health in danger. And just as anticipated, Mrs. Pumphrey called the vet a few days afterwards. What kind of treatment was given to Tricky? Did it help in his recovery? Tricky was given a non-medical treatment. His diet was altered depending upon his food's response to it. His body's response to it. He was kept on liquid diet for the first 2 days, and then his diet was gradually increased. Yes, this treatment did help Tricky as it built up energy in him. He had transformed to an energetic, hard-muscled dog in just a fortnight. Do you think Tricky was enjoying his stay at the hospital? Yes, Tricky was definitely enjoying his stay at the hospital. He had befriended the gang of shabby household dogs. He had found a new joy in being bowled over, trampled on, and squashed. He had also become very energetic. He used to play and run all day long with the dogs. He was having a great time. Now let's deal with the long answer type questions. Pen down the incidences in support of values one should inculcate from James Herriot. Mr. Herriot was a capable veterinary surgeon who treated Tricky. He was a very compassionate doctor and a wise and sympathetic human being. He showed his capabilities almost immediately when he advised Mrs. Pumphrey to put Tricky on a strict diet after understanding his symptoms. He can also be said to be an understanding and tactful person, as he knew exactly how to free Tricky from the spoiling love of Mrs. Pumphrey for his betterment. He does not operate upon the poor dog unnecessarily and adapts a practical approach to treat him. Mrs. James was a caring and polite individual, as he successfully allayed Mrs. Pumphrey's anxiety about Tricky's recovery patiently. He was in all a good human being and a successful professional. So one can inculcate the habits and characteristics of Mr. James Herriot, as he was an animal lover and he knew that over pampering could make someone idle and dull. He loved his profession and he treated his patient with full of care. Now, let's deal with the second question, long question. Excess of everything is bad. Comment in the wake of Mrs. Pumphrey's love for Tricky. Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich woman who loved her dog very much. She loved to live a comfortable and lavish life and also wanted her dog to spend a similar one. She had maintained a wardrobe full of fancy fur coats, dresses, beds, etc. for Tricky. Apart from this, she used to overfeed Tricky out of her love and concern. She used to serve him cod liver oil and malt between the main meals and Horlicks after dinner to give him strength. She never realized that Tricky was a greedy dog and this would spoil his health. She could not even refuse to answer Tricky drooling for cream, cakes and chocolates. Her overfeeding worsened Tricky's condition. This made the dog lazy, inactive and obese. He used to lie on his rug and pant all day long. Mrs. Pumphrey fed him excessively, spoiling Tricky's health to such an extent that he had to be hospitalized. Even in the hospital, she continued to convey Tricky her love through eggs, wine and brandy. Her fondness and care for Tricky proved that excess of everything made him fall sick. I hope you understood, children, these important questions. Now, something very important. I have already given you the character sketch of Mr. James Herriot through the long answer. Now let's go through the character sketch of Mrs. Pomfrey. I have given point-wise. Later you can change it into or convert it into paragraph while writing the answer in the exams. A rich lady who had a small pet dog named Tricky, foolishly indulgent, pampered the dog by giving him chocolates, cakes, juice, eggs, and wine. She was ignorant and did not know that the dog needed exercise also. So when he fell sick, she was very anxious and thought that something very serious had happened to him. She was silly but tender-hearted, cried bitterly when Tricky was taken to the hospital. She was a simple person and it was easy to please her. She was happy when her pet became all right. She was grateful to Dr. Herriot for making Tricky healthy. She went to the extent of calling it a triumph of surgery. So we can say that Mrs. Pomfrey was rich, foolishly indulgent, ignorant, anxious, silly, tender-hearted, simple, easy to please, and a grateful person. So here I end today's lesson. I have completed chapter number 1. If you have any queries, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.